Today, we will be talking about IPL 2026 season and their captains.
Like Rohit Sharma.
भाई वो captain भी नहीं है. We will be discussing and ranking all the captains of the season.
All 10.
Yes.
It's gonna be a little controversial.
Let's do it! First, we'll talk about what makes a captain special and what all qualities a good captain should have.
Like when to use a bowler at which time.
Exactly. Like Rohit Sharma trusted Hardik Pandya in the 2024 World Cup final.
When Hardik Pandya had to defend 16 runs in 6 balls.
Yes, and that worked really well. Rohit trusted Hardik, and Hardik knew that he has the capability to defend those runs.
The captain has to motivate the players who are not even playing in the match.
Like if we talk about the 2025 World Cup, Abhishek Sharma was not in a good form. He had multiple ducks and many low scoring matches too from his batting end, but Suryakumar Yadav was there with him. Suryakumar Yadav said, "Kuch nahi hota if you were not able to score some runs from past few matches." He said, "I know you are a great player and you can score runs for us in the upcoming matches." And Abhishek Sharma trusted Suryakumar Yadav and he scored a 50 in the finals.
Same with Sanju Samson. First matches he was scoring like 10 or 20 runs, and in the last 3 matches he scored 89, 89 and 97.
Exactly. Now we will be ranking all the 10 IPL captains.
All?
Yes, all of them. So first क्या करें यार? श्रेयस अय्यर 3 बार फाइनल लेके गया अपनी टीम को. We'll go with Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer is the only captain who took 3 teams into the IPL final. One was Delhi Capitals, one was Punjab Kings in the last season,
And KKR.
Yes, in 2024, Shreyas Iyer took KKR to the final, and KKR won the trophy.
Shreyas Iyer is young and experienced. He can bat and ball a little too.
I'm not sure about the bowling quality, but he's definitely a great middle order batsman. Next, I think Hardik Pandya. हार्दिक करते हैं यार.
चल आज हार्दिक.
हाँ ठीक है, हार्दिक करते हैं. So Hardik Pandya is an exceptional all-rounder that we all know, and he led Gujarat Titans to the first trophy in their first season only in 2020-22 season. He is leading Mumbai Indians too with the help of Rohit Sharma and Suryakumar Yadav. Rohit Sharma is a really good captain, we all know. He led India to the T20 World Cup win in 2024 and the Champions Trophy win in 2025.
You forgot something to say about Hardik Pandya. He's aggressive and he's an aura farmer.
Yes, and Suryakumar Yadav is also a great leader. He led India to the victory of 2025 World Cup in this year.
True. Even he was in the final, he couldn't score runs, but before in the semi-finals or quarter-finals, you could see he scored like 70 or 50 runs.
Yes, and especially remember his innings against USA. Now we'll go to the Daddy's Army, which has changed to the Baby's Army, CSK. CSK's captain is Ruturaj Gaikwad, and with the man himself, MS Dhoni.
Why did they pick Ruturaj Gaikwad? It could be Sanju Samson too.
But I think CSK showed a bit loyalty. ऋतुराज बहुत टाइम से CSK के खेल रहा है और संजू सैमसन अभी आया है. ऋतुराज गायकवाड should be a better option as he captained the team in 2020-23 too and some matches in 24.
I think they took Sanju Samson because this is Thala's last season.
भाई ये तो कभी नहीं बोल सकते. From 2020-21, Dhoni has been saying that this is my last year, but the fact is that even I want to see him play more. Next, I think Rajat Patidar. Rajat Patidar is a good captain. He led RCB to the first win of IPL last year, and he's an exceptional batsman too against spinners especially.
Remember Kohli's last innings in the finals? He scored 44 runs.
I think that was not a big contribution, but even Kohli would definitely be helping Rajat Patidar in leading the team, as Kohli has been playing for RCB from the first season of IPL 2008 till now, and he is the most experienced player for RCB too.
And you know, RCB is sold now for 16,000 crore.
Yes, and now अगला कैप्टन कौन होना चाहिए? Akshar Patel.
Bapu.
Yes, Akshar Patel is a great captain. He was the vice captain for India also in 2025 T20 World Cup. He knows how to lead the team. He knows to play under pressure, that we all know. In big matches like the 2024 World Cup final and some matches against Pakistan, he has always contributed in somewhat way. And if you remember, in the World Cup final, he took 2 to 3 wickets, and that was really important, especially the wicket of Finn Allen.
And you remember 2024 final? He helped Virat Kohli and scored more runs than Rohit Sharma in the final.
You can't blame Rohit Sharma for that. He played really exceptional in the whole season. And even KL Rahul would be a great helper to lead the team in the season.
True. अब कौन सा करे यार?
शुभमन गिल भी ठीक कर ही लेता है.
गुजरात टाइटंस करता है.
Okay, Gujarat Titans. Gujarat Titans is a great team. They have been, consistently performing well and going to playoffs from 2022. They won. They went in the final. They won 2023. They went in the final, but they didn't win. But since Hardik Pandya left, I don't think that Shubman Gill continued the legacy. He was not that good as a captain if we compare with Hardik Pandya, as he is way more experienced.
I think Shubman Gill wouldn't be the captain this year.
नहीं कैप्टन तो शुभमन गिल ही होना चाहिए बिकॉज ही इज प्लेइंग फॉर गुजरात टाइटंस फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सीजन एंड ही कैन स्टिल डू बिकॉज ही इज द कैप्टन ऑफ इंडियन टेस्ट क्रिकेट टीम एंड ODI also sadly as I'm a Rohit fan.
Shubman Gill is not a great T20 player. He is good in test. Like he scored 269 against
England, yes. See, if we talk about his IPL stats, he's a good player. He scores runs in every single season. But yeah, I agree with you. In international cricket, he's still finding a bit form. Next, I think we should go with Rishabh Pant. कर ले.
RR करते हैं.
RR Riyan Parag. Okay, we can go with Riyan Parag. Although I'm still not that satisfied with this opinion because Riyan Parag is really young. He's the youngest captain of any team in IPL, and he has good qualities to with communicate with the team. He has a bit of leadership qualities. But if we have a look of the current Rajasthan teams, I believe they should have gone with Yashasvi Jaiswal or Ravindra Jadeja, which they traded with CSK.
Even Sam
Curran got injured. He got injured.
Yeah, and injured Premier League.
Yeah, if IPL is, I don't know what is going on this season. Many of the players have gone injured, like Josh Hazelwood, Pat Cummins, Nathan Ellis, Sam Curran, Harshit Rana, and many more.
Mitchell Stark too.
Yeah, Mitchell Stark would be coming after a few matches, but yeah, he won't be there for the first few matches, and I think Delhi could suffer.
Now let's go for LSG.
LSG is a balanced team, I would say. Although their pace attack is a bit lacking, but I think Shami would manage.
Shami is not in form right now.
Yeah, that could be a reason because he's not playing that many matches internationally. He didn't get chance. He played Champions Trophy. He played the Champions Trophy match only the finals last year.
They have Avesh Khan too.
Yes, I completely forgot about that. Avesh Khan is the rising star of India. He's a great bowler, and I think he should get more chances in the international team too. Maybe there's a series coming against Ireland. They could test him there to give him more game time.
Rishabh Pant.
Yeah,
a young captain who is experienced too.
Yes, Rishabh Pant has been playing for India from past 7 to 8 years. He has the capability to lead a team, and he knows how to handle in pressure too. Like if you remember the famous test match in Gaba. Now, let's move on to Sunrisers Hyderabad. First, they had decided that their captain would be Pat Cummins, but as he was injured, he would not be able to attend this season of IPL. So Ishan Kishan would be leading their team. Ishan Kishan is young, and last year only he led Jharkhand to their first trophy of SMAT, which is Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. And SRH is a team who have the capability to score 300 runs in one innings only while batting, but their bowling lineup is also really weak. So I believe they also have the capability to let go 300 runs.
Now let's go to Shah Rukh Khan's team,
Yes.
KKR.
KKR has 3 trophies, which is the third highest, as first is with CSK and Mumbai, 5 trophies each. KKR's captain this year is Ajinkya Rahane.
Who was an ex Chennai player.
Yes, Ajinkya Rahane is one of the best India's test players if you talk about the middle order. He managed the team while Kohli was injured in the 2019 to 2020 in the test, but he hadn't received any chance in T20Is for India. But since 2023, when CSK bought Ajinkya Rahane, there was a bit change in his batting style. He was hitting more balls for 6 and 4. And as he is really experienced, I wish him best of luck for the season, for the captaincy, and I hope he does well. But I don't think that, we should expect that much from Ajinkya Rahane, as KKR's team is a bit, is a bit poor this season because their batting is full dependent or on their openers, and their middle order is only dependent on Rinku Singh. Ankush Raghuvanshi is there, but he is really young. We can't trust him that much. That's all for the 10 captains. Now we'll move on. What is our prediction for the best captain this year? We are not talking about what team would be the first position. We are talking about the best captain from our side. कौन होना चाहिए यार बेस्ट कैप्टन?
1 2 3 पे एक साथ बोलेंगे.
ठीक है. 1 2 3. हार्दिक पांड्या. Same सोच. Hardik Pandya is really experienced, and we told you why he is one of the best captains this season. He has experience. He knows to handle the pressure. That's why we call him the clutch god, and he just knows यार क्या करना है कब. And Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, Surya Kumar Yadav,
Trent Bolt, Deepak Chahar, Surya Kumar Yadav.
पूरी टीम नहीं मांगी, सिर्फ जो लीडर करेंगे. So there are some players with Hardik Pandya to back him up, to help him to lead the team. And now you tell us in the comments what is your prediction, which team will have the best captain, and give your ranking too from the top 10.
Two brothers, one mic. Peace out. RCB.
You could say that normally too. Yeah, RCB's captain is Rajat Patidar.
क्या बोल दिया मैंने? मैं बहुत गंदा बोल दिया. बहुत. ये फिर से करो प्लीज. ये क्या करते?
वो आरसीबी का थीम सॉन्ग था. उआ ए ओ आरसीबी कह रहा. उआ ए ओ. इधर रोबोट.
क्या लकी बन गया मैं.
ठीक है फिर से बोल रहे. ये उआ ए ओ.